Hi, my name is Marvin M. Feliciano, Human Anatomy and Physiology teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the cardiovascular system, but the main focus is all about the heart chambers. The heart chambers, it is divided into the right and left side of the heart and act as a separate pump. Separate pump whether if it is atria or ventricle, meron niyang contraction na nagaganap. We will discuss that later on. And this is also considered as the four-chambered heart. So remember guys, there are hearts na two-chambered, meron ding three-chambered, but this time, a human or mammalian heart known as the four-chambered heart. So bakit siya four-chambered? Because it is divided into four chambers. So we have two atria and two ventricles. The atria considered to be as receiving chamber, tumatanggap daw siya ng blood. Pero we have to identify anong blood yung tinatanggap niya. Number one, when we talk about right atrium, ang tinatanggap niya na blood ay mga deoxygenated or oxygen poor na blood. Next, ang left atrium naman, ang tinatanggap niya na blood ay mga oxygen rich or oxygenated blood. So sabi din dito kanina, it acts as a separate pump. Yes po, once na matanggap na yung blood dito sa area na to na deoxygenated at sa area na to na oxygenated, nagkakaroon ng atrial contraction para dalhin yung mismong blood dito sa right side papunta dito sa right part ng ventricle, sa left side papunta dito sa left part ng ventricle due to atrial contraction. Now, let's talk about the ventricles. Ang ventricles din po considered to be as discharging chamber and it is divided into two chambers, the right and left ventricle. So kanina dito, ang sabi ko ay deoxygenated blood, ganun din dito sa right ventricle, deoxygenated blood yung tinatanggap niya. So to sum it up, kapag right side, yan ay mga deoxygenated blood or oxygen poor na blood. At dito sa left side, mga oxygen rich or oxygenated blood. So si right ventricle, kapag nagpump yan, ang ventricular contraction ay papunta sa lungs. So we called it as the pulmonary circulation, papunta sa lungs po yun. And magkakaroon po ng pagsara ng valve dito, i-discuss ko po yun separately para hindi magkaroon ng backflow. And then kapag naman si left ventricle nag-contract, papunta naman to sa systemic circulation. So magkaiba sila ng pag-discharge ng blood papunta sa specific area. So you have to consider also that they are separated because of the presence of interventricular septum and interatrial septum. I already discussed that on the part 3. So ayun, ganun lang po siya kadali and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you and God bless.